everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel My Study IQ. Today we are going to learn how to make flying game. So making any flying game, first there are 5 steps to follow. First, make your characters for jump. Second, make a moving obstacles. And third, stop the game. And number 4, add more obstacles. And number 5, keep score. So let's start. First we have to delete this speeds and insert a speeds name check, and I'm insert the backdrop like sky blue, and I make this in perfect place like this. So let's start the code. First we have to insert event when I'm press escape key. After that we have to use a control and select repeat block. This is, and after that we have to insert motion and select change by y 10%. And next you have to repeat this, duplicate this block and insert like here and change this 10 to minus 10 is minus 10. What it means? When I'm going to press space key, when it will shift the check shift this place to move up 10 point, after that down 10 point minus 10. So first you run this, you press escape key, so you see the check move up and down. Okay, next we are going to insert another speeds. The speed name are egg, and I'm going to write the code for egg. So first I'm going to reduce the size of egg. This is the reduce size, and make this egg in perfect place like this. So you have to set like this, and you have to go to options. This is go to option. The both x and y are same. This is the x 236, this is the x 236, and this is the y 140, and this is the 140 minus 140. So next I'm going to use glide. Glide means that delete this. Next, when I'm going to click on this, the egg started moving from this place to this place. So I am going to use glide. Glide means that this egg moving from starting place this to in the front of egg. So I am going to insert a glide. This is the glide, and I am going to click on this. What will happen? It will be move. If you want to change the speed, you have to replace with 3 seconds. So this is slow. Next I am going to use this block in control like repeat forever block. So I am use this forever block and use when I click this one. So when I am going to click this, the egg moving continuously. This is the block. Next we are going to the stop egg. So when the egg touches, when this egg touches the check, it will stop. So I'm going to write the code for stop. So this is when I click. After that we have to use the control name are known as until, wait until. This is what do you mean by that? When I'm going to touch the check, it will stop. So in the until block I am going to use the sense options touch. This is move into the this place and use the touches check. When this egg touches the check, it will stop. So I am going to use control and drag the stop all option. This is stop all. So what will happen? I am going to run this. When the egg touches the egg, it will stop. Okay, next I'm going to use second problem. When I'm going to run this code, sometimes the check is stuck in the front of egg. For stuck, you have to write the code in check block. When clicked, this is the block. When clicked, select motion, and this is the go to block. You have to change this place like here, this place. So you have to go to this position, select the check and go to this position and change this position into 120, minus 180 to minus 120 place. So I am going to click on this. This is the perfect place of 180 and 120, minus 180 and minus 120. So the problem will be solved. Next I am going to code for another obstacles. So I am going to right click on this speed and duplicate it. I am going to run this. This is the I am going to change the place of second. This is the second one. Okay, what will happen? When this egg 2 move to this check, it will wait 1 second. After that it will comes in the front of check. So next I am going to use for make some changes for the code wait block. So I'm going to use wait block in event control. This is the wait, control wait 1 second after when, and behind it you have to hide the egg. choose hide block. This is you have to go to look and hide, drag hide option. This is hide option. You put in hide. After waiting 1 second, it will show. So you will be select this. I am going to run this. It will touch, so it will work. Next I'm going to write the code for a score. So I'm going to write the code for score. So first select the check. After that you have to make a variables like score. This is score. Okay. After that make a make variable 0 when it change it to score. This is the first code, and after the egg touches it will score 1 point. So you have to change score 1 point outside the loop. So you have to change the score here, and this is the 1 point. Okay. So you have to run the program and see the out. It will chat means 1 point. Next I'm going to run this. Okay, this is the game. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.